Meaning of iconoclasm.
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 Iconoclasm. Iconoclasm refers to the destruction or rejection of religious or cultural icons or symbols. It is an act of challenging traditional beliefs and values by attacking or removing material objects that represent them. The consequences of iconoclasm can be profound, ranging from the dissolution of traditional power structures to the creation of new religious or cultural traditions. Iconoclasm has been a recurring theme throughout human history, occurring in different cultural and religious contexts. It can lead to social unrest and conflict, but it can also stimulate creativity and innovation as people seek to express their ideas in new ways.